This question is a little bit tricky, I think. At least I think it's written in a very tricky manner. So the teacher asked 20 students how many books they read last summer. The dot plot displays the data. What's the greatest number of books a student read? Now, I would look at this graph and say the greatest number of books students read was 1. But then I thought, that's not right. Let's look at the information here. There should be 20 dots here because 20 students were asked the question. And this is the number of books. So some students read no books. Some students read 1 book last summer, 2 books, 3 books, all the way up to one student in that group of students read 10 books in the summer. Let's go back to the question. What is the greatest number of books a student read? The greatest number of books a student read was 10. One student in that class read 10 books. The question did not ask the greatest number of students that read a book. That would be this, and I think that's what you were thinking when you looked at this as well. You saw the most dots on number 1, so you thought number 1 should be the answer. But the question asked, what's the greatest number of books a student read? And because there's a dot here at 10, 10 would be our answer. Very tricky question.